the Tripura Motha chief and royal scion, Mr. Pradyut Burman. Mr. Pradyut Burman, you had given a very emotional statement saying that if the interlocutor was not appointed by today, you are going to go for a fast unto death. Is there any follow-up? Has the government responded to it?
Vasbir, there are certain things in life which are more important than anything else. A commitment is very important. The Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, had called me up on Thursday and told me that the interlocutor will be appointed by the 27th. Personally, he had given me that commitment. Yesterday, there was no such an announcement. I have decided to take my own action, and I got a call by the NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma. Also got a call from the Home Minister of India, and they were
you got the call from NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma and Mr. Amit Shah. When did you get this call?
I got a call late last night, very late last night, and I got a call from the NEDA convener, and they were assured in their own language, in their own words, and I believe will be announced. They have just assured me that, but I would like to see that in print because I have to answer to other people. They've told me that, not told this to anybody else. So till the time it is not out in print, I cannot vouch for anything because I have to explain to other people as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. You are steadfast on your position. That is very clear.
Yes, I'm very clear because I am answerable to my people, and they have told me that, and now they have to put that in writing. If it is not in writing, nobody will believe because a deadline has expired before this, and nothing has happened. So I need to see that in black and white before I can go and tell my people about what they've assured us.
Absolutely. Mr. Pradyut Burman, thank you so much for talking to Northeast Live.